Aloha my friends, Kristina here, and I am so happy to be back in a new video with you today to share with you my current favorite post-workout smoothie. Not only is it packed with protein and vitamins and minerals, but also it's completely satisfying. It will keep you full for hours. It's great for weight loss. It's filled with healthy probiotics for your gut. It's packed with electrolytes, and it is insanely delicious. I have been completely obsessed with this smoothie recipe, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. Many of you have been asking me lately what I've been doing to get more toned, what I've been doing to build a bit more muscle lately, how I've been getting my abs, and the answer is very simple. I've been alternating my yoga with some sculpt workouts and adding weight resistance. Adding weight resistance has been a game changer for me. I have noticed that my body has responded very well. I've started to tone in areas that weren't really toning before. And after every workout, I'm making sure that I am refueling my body properly with a protein-packed, clean, raw, vegan smoothie. I'm gonna be making this smoothie today using ingredients that I picked from my own garden. I've been growing tons of papayas lately. Papayas are amazing for digestion. I went and I picked a papaya for this smoothie recipe. I also went and I picked some citrus from my trees. I love adding juicy citrus into my smoothies when I can. I've been growing bananas recently as well, and I've let these bananas here ripen for just a bit. Always eat speckled bananas. That's when the starches have been completely converted into sugars. And I picked a coconut from my Samoan coconut palm. This is an epic lineup of ingredients here, and I'm so excited about it. In addition to me sharing this delicious smoothie recipe with you today, I'm going to briefly answer a question that I also get every day that people email me about every single day, and it is, what supplements am I taking? And I'm not gonna talk too much about this, but I will just say there are 4 supplements that I am continuously taking on a weekly basis. Not every day, but I would say about 3 to 4 times a week. I take liquid vitamins, I take liquid minerals, I add Sun Warriors collagen building protein peptides to my smoothies, just a scoop of this, and I add Sun Warriors Ormus super grains to my smoothies on a regular basis, pretty much every day. Now these are simply the supplements that are in my rotation right now. I keep it very simple because I actually just had my blood tested and I'm doing amazing. And what I'm doing right now is working for me. Now, this doesn't mean that I wouldn't mix it up in the future. I'm always open to adding different things, and I actually do rotate my supplements quite a bit, I'd say every couple of months. For instance, if I needed to add some extra magnesium into my diet, I have no problem supplementing magnesium. Or if I needed some extra B12, or if I felt like I needed to add extra B12, I have no problem taking B12. I've been a raw vegan for 17 years now, and people are always asking me about my blood work, if I'm deficient in anything, if I'm healthy. And I'm actually very excited to share my blood lab results with you very soon. That video is coming up, and I am deficient in absolutely nothing. I feel amazing. I feel that I'm only getting better in time with this lifestyle. I'm not a doctor, but I do recommend, whether you are on this lifestyle or not, supplementing with B12 and vitamin D3. I think that's always a safe bet, whether you're vegan or not. It's always good to supplement with those 2 things. And I just want to emphasize that both vegans and non-vegans can be deficient in B12 and vitamin D3. I also think it's just important to get your blood checked first and foremost to see what you actually need to supplement on a daily basis. I really can't recommend this enough. If you haven't already gotten your blood checked, go get your blood checked. Go see what you need to improve on. Take the ego out of it, take the need for trying to prove something out of the equation, and just focus on achieving your highest level of health. I personally don't like taking pills. I avoid it when I can, which is why I very much like liquid supplements. You can just, fill the cap half up or full or however much you want to take, and just sip on the liquid vitamins or minerals. I really love Sun Warriors vitamin minerals because it includes vitamin B12 and D3 and the full spectrum of all of your vitamins that you could possibly need. It takes the guesswork out of it, and it just makes it so easy for me. I also really love their Liquid Light fulvic minerals because it contains over 72 essential trace minerals that your body needs to thrive. I get my full spectrum of vitamins and minerals in just these 2 liquid supplements essentially, and it's just easy. The collagen building protein peptides product is completely vegan, no sugars added, soy-free, very, very clean ingredients. It's actually made from silica from bamboo. Not only is this loaded with protein, and it also has all of the amino acids that your body needs to build or to create healthy and strong nails, skin, and hair. People are always asking me about my hair and how I manage to keep it so long and strong. And well, I add this collagen building protein peptide into my smoothie multiple times a week. Sun Warrior also just came out with a new line of supplements called their Be Well line. It includes their multi-V vitamin, vitamin C, turmeric, ashwagandha, and an antioxidant mushroom blend. It's actually really great. So for those of you who might be looking for something like this, I think this is very helpful. I'm not gonna get too deep into supplements today, so I've gone ahead and I've created a blog post for you on my website that you can reference. The link is in the description below with everything that I mentioned here today. Also in this blog post is pretty much anything and everything that I recommend on a raw vegan lifestyle are things that I love, or that are things that I love personally and use myself. That link is in the description below for you. Be sure to check it out. If you use the link below, it will give you 30% off all Sun Warrior bundles, or you can simply use the code FullyRaw and it'll give you 15% off your order or any individual item. That's linked below for you. Enjoy. This smoothie is so good. I have started calling it my Dreamsickle Smoothie because it tastes like a dream. And it's made with tropical fruits. Ugh, I absolutely love it. I cannot express this enough. The smoothie that we're gonna be making today is a little bit more than 32 ounces, but I do just wanna say I typically drink anywhere from 32 to 64 ounces of this smoothie after a workout. And yes, it's enough to keep me full and satisfied for a couple of hours after that. This smoothie is very filling and it's super energizing. Not to mention, it's great for your digestion. When ready, go ahead and add into your blender approximately 4 to 6, maybe even 8 bananas. You can add as many ripe bananas as you'd like. Just make sure that those bananas are speckled and not green or even yellow. Next up, I'm gonna add approximately 1 cup of ripe papaya. How insanely beautiful is this papaya that I harvested from my tree? You could add approximately 2 cups of papaya if you wanted to. Papaya is one of those fruits that you can easily monomeal. I love papaya. I monomeal on it all the time and my digestion is always on point when I monomeal papaya. I love it. Next, I'm gonna slice the citrus in half and I'm going to hand squeeze out the juice until I get approximately 1 to 2 cups. If you want a smaller size smoothie, use approximately 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice or citrus juice. If you want more volume to your smoothie, go ahead and use 2 cups of orange juice. Next up, I'm gonna add in approximately 1 cup of raw coconut water. Now I know most people will be using coconut water that they buy at the store, so just make sure that it has no added sugars and that it has the cleanest ingredients possible. Essentially, it should only be raw coconut water if you can find it. I'll add in 1 scoop of Sun Warrior's collagen building protein peptide. I really like their Tahitian vanilla flavor. 1 scoop of their Ormus super greens. And if you want to add a little extra sweetness to the smoothie, add in a little bit of raw coconut nectar. Oh my, how heavenly does this look? Once all of your ingredients are in the blender, blend it up until it becomes completely smooth. If you want this smoothie to be cold, you can either use frozen bananas or you can add in a cup or 2 of ice. It's still pretty hot out here in Hawaii and I don't have air conditioning, so I actually love using frozen bananas in my smoothie, and sometimes it comes out thicker like an ice cream and I absolutely love it. Once your smoothie is blended, go ahead and pour it into any glass jar of your choice. How mouth-watering does this Dreamsickle smoothie look? It's packed with protein, vitamins, minerals. This smoothie is an infusion of tropical goodness for your body, and I know you will love it. Yum! This smoothie is so good, and I can't emphasize enough that it tastes better with frozen bananas, or if you want to add ice, that's a great option too. If this smoothie looks yummy to you and if you'd like to give it a try, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because there is only more goodness to come. If you're looking for more raw vegan recipes, you can download my Fully Raw Vegan Recipe app. There are more than 450 raw vegan recipes just like this one on my app. It's available on iTunes and Google Play. The initial download is free, and then after that you can choose between a monthly and a yearly subscription, and that's linked below for you. If you're interested in any of the supplements I talked about earlier in this video, or if you're interested in my blog post on the supplements I'm currently taking and love or recommend, please check out the links in the description below. Everything you need is listed below in the description for you. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of this delicious smoothie, and I hope that you get to go and do the same. I'll see you all in my next video. Sending you my hugs and my love.